you need to take down all the steering wheel and then just pull this. Okay. Next, you need to pull this. Be careful because there is a hazard light socket. This one. Pull it out. And then you need to unscrew this 4 screw. And just pull it out, and here you can see there is 3 sockets. The power socket, the speaker, this is for the steering wheel, and this is the antenna. Another thing is that we need this bracket to use at the Xtron player, because the bracket in the Xtron box will not fit this car. Okay, as you can see, we already uninstalled the original player. Now we're gonna install the Xtron 7-inch Toyota size player. Before we install the player, we place all the cable that we need, such as the microphone in here, the GPS, and the USB cable. I also like to remind you that this is for Toyota, so we need to cut 1 wire here. If not, if you can see that that's the wire that you need to cut. If not, the handbrake light will not go off. And another thing is this is the steering wheel control, which is 10 socket for Toyota. Since my V has a 5 socket, so it will not fit perfectly, but it still can be used. I will show you how. Okay, this is where I put my Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, now we just need to insert all the socket in their place. First, this is the USB cable socket in here. This is the GPS antenna. This is the microphone socket. This one is another USB cable. Okay, then insert the power socket. Don't forget this, the antenna. Then we insert this in here. Then we place this. This is for the power socket. Power socket is this one. speaker socket, and this is the steering wheel control. As you can see, this is 5 pin and this is 10 pin. It will not fit perfectly, but it still can be used. You just need to turn this and then just insert in its place like that. And then since this is my VH, so my car didn't come with reverse camera, so I'm using Xtron reverse camera. For those who are using advanced variant, they should buy another socket that should plug to the original player socket and then plug it to here. This one, reverse camera, and this. I'm just gonna tie this together. This one, the rear, plug it here. Okay. Then use adapter. Just wrap around it. And grab this too. This is just for precaution, so that it will not unplug if there's anything happen. Okay, another thing to remember is that you need to also plug these two blue wire. If not, there is no power to your antenna and the radio signal will be really bad. So now plug the power cable, drive the power socket, and now let's try it first. Let's see if everything is working fine. It's working. Let's see the radio first. Sound. Okay. The steering control. Everything is working. Now since we know that everything is working, we can screw back all the four here, all the four screws in here. don't forget to plug the LED socket back. Okay, then close it. The clip on. Then put this back. That's it. That's how to install